Hello, welcome back to another month of Play Patrol with Bigjigs. So this month, what was in the box? Okay, Little Ladybug, what's in the box this month? What do you think? You can bring them out. So Harry is 28 centimeters tall, doll. He's really soft and cuddly. Both my children really enjoyed playing with him. He comes dressed in denim shorts and a stripy top, which is kind of a burgundy with a beige stripe. The clothes really easy to take on and off, and he's just a very cute little guy. So Jenny is 28 centimeters tall. She is soft and cuddly, just like her brother Harry. She comes wearing a pretty little pink dress with stripes on the top, and then pink skirt with floral embroidery on the bottom. She also comes with a little pair of white underwear. So again, she's very soft and cuddly, and perfect for little ones from about 12 months up. So besides Jenny and Harry, the Bigjigs have a huge range of other dolls. They come in 3 different sizes: 28 centimeters, 35 centimeters, and 38 centimeters. But there's a couple of some boys, and so a whole bunch of range of girls with different colored hair. So Jenny and Harry have been very busy this month. They have gone on a picnic in our living room. They have also learned how to fly off the bunk beds. They've had lots of tea parties and really have been enjoyed by both my children. We're very excited that Jenny and Harry has joined our family, and thank you again to Bigjigs for sending us these adorable dolls. Thank you, bye-bye.